Hey guys, Justice Hart here. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, a mid-range offering from this year's Redmi Note lineup. Let's dive into the full review of the Redmi Note 13 and discover why Xiaomi calls this base model iconic. Inside the box you will find a quick starter guide and a warranty card, a silicone case, a 33-watt charger, USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and the Redmi Note 13. The device is slimmer with better bezel management. Our unit is the Midnight Black. Despite its larger size, it fits comfortably in the hand thanks to its rounded corners. The camera bump has been removed, allowing for a sleeker look. The top features a speaker grille, 3.5mm headphone jack, iconic IR blaster, and microphone. At the bottom, you will find another speaker grille, USB-C port, and a hybrid SIM tray. Flipping to the front, there is a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 220Hz adaptive refresh rate. Outdoor use is no problem with up to 1800 nits peak brightness. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and comes with a pre-installed screen protector. The display features a punch hole notch and supports an in-screen fingerprint sensor, which unlocks the phone fast enough. Under the hood, Redmi Note 13 is powered by a Snapdragon 685 chipset with configuration of 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. The storage is expandable via micro SD card up to 1TB. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 offers a versatile camera system that performs well in most conditions. It has a 108MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP depth sensor, and a 16MP selfie camera. In daylight, the 108MP main camera excels. It captures images with rich detail and accurate color reproduction. The dynamic range is impressive and the photo exhibits minimal noise. In low light, Redmi Note 13 continues to perform well thanks to its larger sensor and technology. Ultra-wide cam photos offers a wider field of view, making it perfect for landscape and group shots. On the front, the Redmi Note 13 supports a 16MP selfie camera. This camera produces good quality selfies with accurate skin tones and decent detail. The portrait mode is quite effective, offering nice background blur. The main and selfie cameras can shoot at 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. The footage is generally smooth and detailed, but the lack of 4K video recording and optical stabilization is a major drawback. The camera app is packed with features including AI scene detection, which adjusts settings based on the scene, and the Pro mode allowing manual control over settings like iOS, ISO shutter speed, and focus. Moving over to the battery and charging, the Redmi Note 13 packs a 5000mAh battery lasting around 13 hours in our standard video loop test. It supports 33W fast charging and goes from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes while fully charging in 76 minutes. With normal use, it can last over 2 days on average. The Redmi Note 13 runs MIUI 14 on top of Android 13. There are some pre-installed bloatware apps, but these can be easily uninstalled. The AMOLED screen supports an always-on display with various clock styles. Performance-wise, the Snapdragon 685 chipset handles daily tasks and light gaming well. Benchmark results are impressive, and games like Asphalt 9 and Mobile Legends run smoothly without hitting issues. All things considered, the Redmi Note 13 5G is a decent mid-ranger with significant improvements such as thinner bezels, a fresh design, with a solid display, chipset, and nice steals at an accessible price point. What are your thoughts? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.